Here's how to create a shake effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, go to the effects panel and search for the transform effect. Drag it onto your video layer and any effect controls right here. Put your time indicator where you want the shake effect to start, and then basically hit the stopwatch of the position setting. Now move forward on the timeline 2 frames at a time and then change the position of your video. Move again 2 frames forward and change the position again. Move 2 more frames and basically just keep on changing the position slightly. And once you're on the 6th keyframe, just hit the reset button. After doing that, select all of your keyframes and right click them, choose temporal interpolation and then hit the ease in option. Right click your keyframes again and now choose the ease out option. All you have to do next is uncheck use composition shutter angle and change the shutter angle value to 180. And then finally put your time indicator right on the first keyframe and then hit the stopwatch of the scale option. Go to the middle point of your animation and increase the scale option to 110. Then go to the ending point of your animation and reset the scale value. Again, you can ease these keyframes in and out for better smoothness. So yeah, here's how it should look. That's about it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.